No, I didn't look at it more than that.
You see it? No. I did on a little crack. You put behind your bike, you put your animal into a hole. And I wanted it. I had one though. Huh? The red? No.
Is that your camera, babes? On the tree? No, it's Vern's.
They're gonna stop the GoPro video.